Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert Roman numbers in Word document. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly then show the Word document from the text is now in this video I will show that insert Roman numbers. Now select from the text. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the numbering icon option. Now for click, then click for the Roman number option. That's it. Then again select from text. Now going to the numbering icon option. Now for click, then click for the Roman number icon option. That's it. Then I show insert Roman numbers in Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.